Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition 35 TFSI with the S-tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is also finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. As well, it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Now looking at some key features, with this being the Black Edition model, does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the front bumper with that lovely gloss black grille, as well as the rear diffuser with the gloss black exhaust tips, as well as the black window surrounds. Moving towards the front of the A3 now, there is these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Looking down towards the alloys now, we find these exceptional Black Edition specific 19-inch 5-on trapezoid diamond cut alloys, which really complement the great paint. To the side now, there is also that rear privacy glass, in which does keep the rear occupants in view, as well as continuing this overall black and grey theme. Moving in now to the rear boot space of the A3 Saloon, where we find up to 425 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest, which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, making this A3 Saloon perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Dynamica and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, it does mean the vehicle has these full black leather seats with the additional white stitching, as well as the Audi Sports logos. Above now, there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the two digital rev counters. As well as this, you can access your satellite navigation, telephone connectivity and vehicle data. To the centre of the dashboard now, there is this impressive MMI touchscreen display, in which is featured the satellite navigation, and does also allow usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Saloon Black Edition, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our friendly sales team.